So hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So I just wanted to show you guys how I installed this Amazon wig. Exactly, I got this wig from Amazon and it was really nice. Y'all can't sleep on Amazon, okay? This is their deep wave wig. I believe it was in 26 inches or 28 inches. Okay, so I look like milk dud head. But I came to the bathroom because for some reason I cannot, I'm sorry about this, I know it's loud, but for some reason I cannot like not do my wig in the bathroom because I need to be able to see. So only thing I did was just put on my wig cap. I did not do a ball cap, none of that. I never really do all that and all that. So yeah, let me show y'all the wig real quick again. I'm gonna put some makeup on the lace. This is what y'all need to see. Don't worry about me. I'm okay. But no, I had to get my hot comb. And so yeah, I already showed y'all like the wig just seconds ago. All I did was, the basic, just plucking, reaching the knots. I did over bleach at some spot. It's okay. I promise it's okay. It's okay. You can fix it. My makeup time right now is just go ahead and put the makeup on the lace. Getting this wig on my head, I have to leave here in an hour and a half, so that's my main thing right now. And so let's just not talk too much. Let's get it out the way, okay? Just watch. And the only thing I'm doing is taking some of my like concealer. Everybody uses concealer, so really careful. Not about gone. Well, it's foundation, but whatever. I'm taking some on the brush and applying it to the lace, and then once I do that, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiant contour powder palette or whatever and set it. Okay, I'm gonna just keep washing my hands because I feel like make sure you keep your hands clean. Like when you're doing an install, you're touching a lot of product. So this is how the lace looks after I put the makeup on it. So now I'm just going to try it on again, just to make sure it fits my head to curve and get it presentable. I really don't need a band, but I'm going to put it on just so that it can be picture. Okay. I might not put it in there because if I have to later, I will. But right now, just like, can you see how much of a difference that makes? So you want to try to pull it as far as you can down. I'll be watching. You know, I've been doing wigs for a long time, but it's always good to try new things. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm never against trying new techniques and stuff like that. I've been watching, who did I watch on Instagram? Oh, Big Boss. That she's actually a rapper, but she know how to install her wig really good. So because this is curly hair and it's just a lot, I'm gonna clip it out the way on this side, and then I'm gonna clip it on this side, and then this is the part that is the hardest for me. It's just cutting the, oh, look how that looks, baby. I gotta take a picture of this. But yeah, cutting the lace around the ears, so you're just trying to cut out like so you're just gonna like cut around the lace on the ear on this side and the same on this side, but don't cut the wig on the back part, just cut around the ear. So part out my ear like right here, so you're gonna part out like a U shape. You're gonna part that out.
Look, I ordered her, honey. Otterbox cover.
Alright, I don't do nothing fancy. I just put the Vaseline on the back of my hand. I just put 2 minutes right there. I just lay it down. Lay it down. You know, you go to 3 or 4 sections. Lay it down. And I try. I don't know what I do. I just, cool. I don't keep on it. I put it on it. But I like the key. Tacky. See how my hand's sticking? Cool. Now on the first layer. The same thing with it got to be. We're going to wait till it gets tacky. As soon as it gets tacky, y'all can not put your wig down. I'll do to it. I know that shit late. It's late. Might tell you a joke, but I never tell you a lie. Alright, now before I start cutting off that lace, that's when you're gonna tell you magic worked or not. So let's do that real quick. What is it though? We gonna lay that back down, but I'm just gonna part them out, and then I have a little. I actually bought it yesterday. Where is it? Oh, I found this at the Goodwill for $5, $6, $5, something like that. But it's a kiss. It's just like a little small flat iron. You know, when you're trying to do like a pixie cut or some shit, and you want a real small girl. But I'm gonna use mine. To curl my baby. So, so like I said, I don't like them squeezing too much, but so cut them long first. Oh, that's probably not long, but that's about right. Yeah, that's about right. I used to be like the big dramatic baby hair girl, but now I have to realize less is more, less is more. And again, this is a review, but when I do my review at the end, you'll see what I'm talking about. Because y'all can click on Amazon, but like I said, if I had some more better glue and products, I feel like it'll do. Okay, this side is really cool as far as density. this side is a little thick, so I'm going to hook out a few here. Not too much. I don't like my baby hair super deep. But yeah, less is more. Less is more. I'm learning that. Less is more. Of course my camera is dying, so all I'm gonna do really quickly is just, you see I did my baby hair. They're not perfect, but they gonna work today. And I'll spray a little bit of this on the parts that are up, and just lay those parts down. You just only that one part on this top and on the side. Real quick for my camera down, because I don't need my camera to die. Press it in that lace, just on my skin. I'm gonna let it dry for a few seconds. Look at that. Let it dry. I already gotta add no makeup or anything. I might do it after I melt this down a little bit more. But I'm just trying to lay that part down in the front. And I don't think my business if I have to fix them. But they look pretty okay. They're pretty decent for right now because this side's gonna be covered anyway. And this side. You know, with curly hair, you want a messy look anyway. I'll let that dry down. Once that dries down, I'm just gonna put my band back on while I'm getting ready. And then, yeah, so let me show you. I never said I was perfect at doing baby hair. I like the messy look anyway, like I said. Look at that. No. I ain't put a lick of makeup on her after the intro. Just before the intro. I might add a little makeup after. But as of right now, we Gucci. Gonna put this band back on. And I'm gonna get her. When I come back, y'all gonna see the dress. Or half dress probably. But I'm not gonna put my clothes on until I get there. So, when I come back, just wait for the final result. Real shit though, I don't think y'all see how tea that is. Like, again, I could probably fix my baby hair, but we just gonna make it do what it do for today. You know, it's a little crazy. But look at this, like, this wig was under $100. That's why y'all can't go by the wig review. Y'all have to get the wig and make it do what it do. Okay? Alright, they even said the wig was short. Baby, I don't know if I'm short or what, but the wig is all the way down to my booty. So I don't know. Don't listen to those people on that internet. I'm a bitch in the afternoon. Every night without warning. I can be really mean for you.